Welcome to Vancouver, where convenient urban living helps set new trends in modern strata management. From the high-rises of Yaletown to the historic charm of Gastown, Vancouver's strata landscape requires a management partner that understands the unique fabric of our city. As a proudly Canadian company with deep roots in Vancouver, First Service Residential embodies the spirit of the West Coast. We don't just work here, we live here. We understand the unique character of each neighborhood, and we know what matters to Vancouver strata owners and councils. Whether you call home a luxury condo in Coal Harbour, a vibrant community in Kitsilano, or a serene townhouse in Kerrisdale, your community deserves a strata management company that understands the distinct needs of Vancouver's diverse neighborhoods. The communities we serve extend beyond Vancouver and include the growing suburbs of Surrey, Burnaby, and Richmond, the historic waterfronts of North Vancouver and West Vancouver, the bustling hubs of Coquitlam and New Westminster, the quaint neighborhoods of Port Moody and Port Coquitlam, and the culturally rich areas of Langley and Delta. Our comprehensive Vancouver strata management services include expert knowledge of the Strata Property Act and BC regulations, specialized high-rise operations and maintenance, 24/7 customer care, advanced financial management and reporting, energy management and sustainability programs, and professional concierge and staffing services. With a dedicated team across the Lower Mainland and more than 60,000 units under management, we bring unmatched expertise to every community we serve. Our local presence features an office in Vancouver, ensuring responsive service when and where you need it. We are proud to be recognized as a leader in the Vancouver strata management industry, earning accolades for our commitment to excellence, both in how we treat our team members and how we serve our communities. We understand the unique challenges of Vancouver's climate, from heavy rainfall management to summer cooling system optimization. Our partnerships with trusted local vendors ensure your property receives the best possible care year-round. When you choose First Service Residential, you're choosing a strata management partner that knows Vancouver inside and out. We understand the difference between managing a strata corporation in False Creek versus one in Mount Pleasant, because we're part of these communities too. First Service Residential, your Vancouver strata management experts. Say hello to Life Simplified.